All right. God bless each and every one of you. Great to see you. Today, I'm just going to take a few minutes to share with you a little bit more about our Christian leadership um, coaching certification program. And I'm going to show you essentially how that works, what happens. Um, and, I think now more than ever, it's so important that believers, marketplace leaders, pastors, bivocational pastors, dualpreneurs, marketplace leaders have that extra stream of income built. And we are here to teach you, certify you, and then even for some of you, do it for you so that by the time you walk away from the training, you have everything you need. So we have three programs. I'm going to share my screen so that you can see and just hear about those programs from me. And again, I'm Dwann Holmes here in Jacksonville, Florida. So when you go to the website, this is what you see. It says, attention Christian authors, speakers, ministers, pastors, educators, and trainers. Um, Join the Christian Leadership Life Coaching Certification Masterclass today and learn how to build that extra stream of income while using skills you already have to encourage and coach others to success without having to attend weekly night classes, rush or wonder whether or not the certification honors your faith. All right. Now, we did this certification a couple years ago, and it was a fast track accelerated program for 10 weeks. Where we actually did the beta program. It worked really well. And we just see this is the season to put it back out there to um, train and certify others. But I want to tell you about the programs that are great, or the investment options. Now, you will get level 1 and 2 certification through Dr. Ulf's um, organization, and then I will do the marketing training as well. Okay. Um, and so here are your payment options. Um, the first one, again, because of the season that we're living in, we decided to do five investment, and that's a special of 125. So you make that first 125, and then every 30 days for the next 4 months, or 5 months, 4 months, you'll invest another 125. All right. And then for those who want to do the two installment, it's 275. So 275 now, and then in 30 days, another 275. And then those who really want a VIP experience, you want a little bit more extra help, you want one-on-one time with me regarding your marketing, and you also want um, to be ready to go after you take and these courses, then we have our VIP certification and marketing exclusive, where you can do one payment of 1,500 or three installments of 500. That means 500 now, 500 in 30 days, and 500 in another 30 days. So that's within a 3-month period. And of course, if you click on the 1,500 and do that one payment in full, you can also do that through Klarna for smaller payments. But let me tell you what you get with this. So you get all the courses, all the audio formats, and you also get a private VIP training area, and you get a one-on-one marketing session with me. So as soon as you enroll, you can also book with me regarding your marketing, and I'm going to tell you how we do it, what we're going to do. I'm going to advise you, but we're also going to build your landing page, which will look kind of similar to ours. You'll All of you will get a certification saying that you're certified, but you'll get a landing page, uh, ad setup, and then a branding campaign. But the other thing is you also get a logo, business card, all of your marketing and media collateral that you need to be able to promote yourself. We create that for you. I have a ad agency, and so we will do that for you as well. And so that is just 1,500. That's really almost unheard of, or 1,500 for everything. So that's 500 for that certification, and then $1,000 for all that branding. And we also will set up a Meta or Facebook ads setup for you and show you how that works. All right. And so that's what you do. And so all you do is scroll down to the bottom and choose how you want to pay. It's on 125 first. So if you want to do the 1,500, you simply click on that 1,500. If you want to do Klarna, you go here and you click on Klarna and it'll take you there. Okay. Otherwise, you can do the 3 pay for 500 every 30 days, the 2 pay for 275 every 30 days, and then the 5 pay for 125 every 30 days. And then next, I want to show you your student dashboard. So your student dashboard is here. It says Christian Leadership Coaching. And you know what? Let me stop sharing and make sure that you'll be able to hear my audio as well when I share. One more thing. Okay. So all of your modules are in our student dashboard. There you see everything is in there by the weeks. Okay. And we have a welcome, about our instructors, our outline and objectives, and then we've got week 1. So let's go to module 1, meeting of leadership coaching. I'm clicking on that now. All you have to do is push that blue
I
button.
have just dr.olf.spears@gmail.com. And usually what I will do is, following the class, you'll have the whole week before the next class to finish the assignments. And the assignments are not real deep. They're just simply their reflection, and then a page or two on just what you learned from the coaching sessions. And then they're your half an hour starting off, and then your 1 hour eventually coaching sessions that you'll do with somebody. You just choose somebody you like to coach, and then we'll eventually give you some tips and things on that. Initially, I'm not going to give you a lot. And so a lot of people, when I do some.
All right, I'm going to scroll down a little so you can see and hear a little bit more.
What God has put in you. Okay, so let's pause right there. So leadership development, then the coach, as we moved into this more coaching era, we start.
All right. So there you have it. That's what you have. This is how you log in. It's very organized. And there you see, we got people already rating it right there. Okay. So that's it. Let me see. How am I gonna? Oh, so you push on the next category and then everything else will come back up. Okay. It's just next, and you got 2 a week essentially. Because again, this was an accelerated course. But you can take your time. It's on demand. You don't have to rush. You can take your time. But each time it's going to walk you through what needs to happen. Okay. And it's voila. And they're all there for you to see. So there you have it. I'm going to stop sharing. All right. So that's it. We look forward to coaching you. I look forward to speaking with you and helping you in your marketing as well. And again, just wanted to show you all the opportunities out there for you to hone your coaching skills, but also for you to build your own business and build that stream of income that you've been waiting to build or pushing in the background. I'm telling you, now is the time to move full speed ahead, and we are here to help. We look forward to seeing you in your coaching sessions. All right, God bless.